am. Today we are going to get a barn find out here at Apex Cattle Ranch. I'm not really planning to do anything to the barn finds today. Just kind of drive down there. I haven't used the 3rd gen in a long time. I'm surprised it started today and it wasn't having a dead battery because it's been like 2 months. But we're gonna drive on down to the house. I didn't buy the house or the garage, I just bought the vehicles inside. I don't even know what they are. There could be like 20 vehicles, or there could be one. I have no idea. I bought them for 20 grand, which might have been a little overkill. But I'm gonna go see my insane, what is he? It's not him. Where the heck is he? Yeah, he's... I don't even know what this guy's talking about, to be honest. Okay. But we're gonna head down to the house. I don't know where the heck he's at. He's kind of like an insane friend of mine. Oh, yep, there he is. Never mind. Oh, Lord. Some crazy things. I don't even know what the heck this is. Alright. So I just arrived and I'm seeing some devious. Oh no. Nope, there's my insane friend. Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I know. I have one of these. Alright, anyways, barn find.
Hey, you need a haircut.
Huh?
You need a haircut.
No, I'm good. I'm gonna keep this hair for a while.
Okay,
Okay, you're crazy.
For your information, my 79 that one.
What do you mean, dude? I got the 24 valve Cummins in there. Alright.
Let me see if the door's unlocked.
Okay, this guy's gonna try to break in. Alright.
It's unlocked.
This guy. Alright. Okay, here's what we got. So we got...
I call it false scam.
Nope. You don't get that. I bought it.
What will I do?
I bought it. Oh, look, it's an Alice Chalmers D21.
Tell you what, if I can get it running, it's mine.
You aren't gonna get it running, dude. I don't even think you have anything in there. In your truck to get it. Okay, buddy. Just hop out of the truck already. Dude, it doesn't even have an engine in it. It doesn't have an engine. Like, how are you gonna get it running? It's not like we have a 12 valve on command. Anyways. Alright. So let's see about this D21. This is what I'm excited for. I already have one of these at the farm, but man. And it's a D21. It's an Alice Chalmers D21.
What?
You have an engine. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to figure this out while this guy yaps. Alright, I'm gonna back up. Alright, so this guy really wants the first gen. He's a little crazy. Dude, you are not doing anything, bro. What is this guy even doing? Alright. Alright, so basically, I'm gonna pull out the D21. I gotta make sure the parking brake. Alright, so we're just gonna pull this out. Come on. Alright. Shoot, there goes that truck. Alright. You know, I'm gonna use my professional skills, not hit his truck, but I'm gonna use my pro skills. Oh shoot. I'm a professional, guys. Totally. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. I'm not doing this. Okay, never mind. I bought this whole thing for like 20 grand. Nah, I'm good. Alright, we're gonna see if this if I can get this pulled up on the trailer because it doesn't run. It doesn't even have an engine in it, and the front suspension's out, I guess. I paid 20 grand, so each of these things are 10 grand. Okay, I'm gonna open the hood. Okay, so I'm gonna pop it, and then there we go. Alright, I don't know what he's doing. Jesus, what the heck did he do to this? I think it's his. Yeah, I think he does. You know what I'm gonna do. Look at that. Yeah, I know. I think he's putting an engine in it. Alright, but this D21, I'm gonna get restored immediately. The first gen, I might restore it and sell it. I don't know, though. Maybe I'll keep... Oh, shoot, it's gonna start raining. Oh, no. Hey! And I can't even hear. I can't even speak over that. So, yeah, I'm gonna work on pulling that thing over. Alright, so I guess he found something out back. Alex did, but I'm gonna head on back to my farm. Because it's raining and I don't want the D21 to sit out. I mean, it's not like it's not like it's not like the D21 was taken care of, but I still want to get it in my shop. Dude. Oh my god, this poor third gen. Yeah, but he found something around back, so he can have that. He tried talking me into giving him the first gen that I have. Shoot, 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 shoot! Okay, watch. Professional driver right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see? Cummins rule. For real, for real. Today I'm not driving a Ford. And we actually have 2 Dodges. Trooper drives Chevys. I drive Fords. But I do... Dude, what are these guys talking about in the chat? No. Alright. But, yeah, it's kind of a chaotic... Okay. Almost died. Yeah, so, I don't know. Ignore the chat. But, we're gonna roll Cole up here. I think we got one of my friends following me. I think he works at Tractor Supply. I don't know. Jeez. It's gonna take a little while, but let's, Okay, let's shut this loud truck off. Okay, if this guy has common sense, he'd back up. Okay, let's hop. Alright, y'all, so we got the D21 in the shop. We got the first gen sitting out here. It's probably going to sit out here for a while. It's probably going to get more rusted, but that doesn't matter. Because I don't really care about that. I care about the D21. Don't get me wrong, I love first gens, but I don't really have a need for it right now. But the D21 can actually help out my farm. So, yeah. I wonder if Alex will show up. Here, let me text him. So I just sent that out, so hopefully it'll get back to me. But yeah, there's the 4440, all the other, or the 4020 I mean, but all the other equipment's down in the other shop or on the field right now, or troopers probably doing stuff. The combine's in the shop, so that's why it's not here. I'm definitely thinking about upgrading equipment soon to a little bit newer stuff, probably early 2000 stuff. But yeah. Oh, he found a truck, so he's gonna get on that, but I'm probably gonna go put this trailer in that shed. So yeah, let's go do that really quick. Also, do you enjoy Apex cattle ranching? Tell me down below. That'd be sweet if you did, because I love making these videos. Alright, I gotta put this here. Alright, let me just go over, turn around. Okay, we're gonna put that truck there for the day. I'll probably put it inside. But yeah, that's one of my friends right there with the Chevy. So yeah. Anyways, y'all, this is the end of this episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Also, did you enjoy it? Tell me down below, and goodbye.